Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about the fraud agents or the fraud guys who is creating cruise line jobs especially for fooling peoples and looting money from us. As you all know that most of the industries across the world has lost their business and facing a huge loss in their companies because of this COVID-19. Cruise lines industry also is one of them. I worked for the world largest cruise lines and I was in that company for nearly 8 years. In these 8 years, I have seen a lot of good and bad things in my careers in the cruise ships. But it's a very good memories and experience. Most of the hospitality professionals and the students, they love or they dream to work in the cruise lines because as everyone know that you will get a very good new lifestyle on board and you can go around the world. You can see lots of good places around the world. You can earn good money and the tax free, and you can get free food and accommodation on board, etc, etc. So everyone in this hospitality field were trying very hard to get into this cruise ship. So I am also one of them, but I have finished already 8 years, and yeah, I have fulfilled my dreams. So, but the very important thing most of us doing is we are not choosing the proper agent or the proper place or proper way of finding these jobs. Okay. Many of us we are not doing that. Only few of us are going in the professional way to find these cruise lines jobs. For example, if you edit a very beautiful picture of the cruise ship and if you tell that there is a vacancy for housekeepers, waiters or bartenders, and you publish that in the Facebook or LinkedIn, and you give some fake email ID or phone number and tell the customers to contact you, and you can see that lots of innocent people, they will give their details by giving their name and their phone numbers and email ID. You can frequently see that in the Facebook or LinkedIn. It's still going on, we cannot stop that. you know Guys, please don't do that. There are lots of genuine companies like in Mumbai, Goa and Chennai. You can find like Hiran International in Mumbai, and Airborne, they are recruiting people for the Airborne Costa and Ida companies, and you can see lots of cruise ships companies are going through Kamaxi consultants, and you can see the Indus company. They are the professional companies who are recruiting the crew members to go and work in the ship. By seeing your CV, they will tell, and they will check and tell you the level of your occupation, that how you can go with that. In the same time itself, they will tell you that you are eligible for the cruise ship to work or you are not eligible based on your experience and your education. This is the way we have to go and find the job for the cruise lines. Some of the recruiters, they only charge money for your visa and flight tickets. They never charge you charge their professional fees, or they never charge their agent fees, most of the recruitment process. Because when I moved to the cruise ships, I worked in Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, and when I went to the cruise ships on 2009, I just paid my flight ticket and the visa fees, and I didn't pay any agent's fees or like that. Guys, we have to find a job like that. No agent will, again I am telling you, no agent will ask you money before they give you job. I mean the good agents. So someone is asking money before they giving the job, it means they are frauds, they are fakes. And also, in this COVID situation, some of the fake companies or some of the fraud companies who are very well know about the current situation of the hospitality workers, because most of us not having any work, and most of the company got closed, and most of our are jobless, and people who working in abroad and came to the country and unable to go back to work, and we are looking for a job anywhere. We can get a very good job, we can just go into it. Even some people who is having a foreign experience, they still get cheated by these frauds and fake companies. you know so these companies also, they are easily targeting on us. Believe me, among 100 they can easily fool 2 peoples. After this pandemic, the cruise ship industry is just trying to get back normally, and it's still, it's getting back normally because still the vaccination is going on, and people are getting into normal very slowly, dead slowly, and maybe another 4 5 months it will take for the cruise ships to come back to normal, maybe or may not be. Okay. The people who already working in the cruise ship for years and still they are working, now they are in vacation, they are unable to go back to work because still cruise industry is not in a normal operation. Still they are under some maintenance, or still they are under this pandemic issues, and most of the crew members who are in vacation, they are unable to go back to work. So, we have to think that how there will be a new job offers going on for the freshers or the new openings. We have to think about this in this current situation. When someone gave you ad for the cruise line jobs, things and all. Maybe some cruise lines back to normal, or they may be recruiting crew members. That may be true, but that is a way to move, or just to go through the professional agents that I have mentioned above. That companies always check the details of the agents who is calling you, or who is convincing you to work in the cruise lines. Always check their details. You talk about this to your friends, or maybe if you are in a hospital in the industry, so there may be some people who you maybe know they're working in abroad, or they are working in the cruise lines. Just to send these offer letters or send these offers, and just share with them, and just know about these details, whether it is fake or real. I have already uploaded a video in my channel that how to check these fake jobbers and job offers and fake letters, and how to find these fake agents. You can go through this video. If you go through that video, you can never get cheated by anyone. So guys, please be very careful in applying jobs in the cruise lines for hospitality industry, especially in this 2021, because as I told you again and again, there are lots of fake agencies to fool you guys around. So be safe, be alert. Thank you very much. Hello everyone.